Hey guys, Trevor here from LumeCube to walk you through the best ways to use your new Panel Mini. All right, let's get into it. Inside the box, you will see the LumeCube Panel Mini, a USB-C recharge cord, and a low-profile DSLR shoe mount. The LumeCube Panel Mini is made with 60 full-spectrum LED diodes. Each diode has a CRI of 96.5 for really high-quality light. We overlaid a custom frosted lens as a built-in diffuser to give off a nice soft light. We've also included 2 1/4-20 threads, so you can get creative with mounting to your camera or phone or whatever device you're using. The LumeCube Panel Mini weighs in at 85 grams and is 3.6 inches wide, 2.2 inches tall, and 0.45 inches deep. To turn on the Panel Mini, you simply hold for 3 seconds on the blue power button and the light will turn on. The LumeCube Panel Mini is a bi-color light, meaning you can adjust the color temperature from 3200 Kelvin all the way up to daylight balance 5600. Once turned on, you'll see your LumeCube Panel Mini displays the LCD control screen. This is where you'll be able to see battery life, color temperature, and the brightness setting you're currently on. To adjust the color temperature, tap the button to select the color temperature section, then use the adjustment dial. As you go up, the color temperature will change to more of a white light or daylight balance. As you go down, it'll get warmer, down to 3200 Kelvin. To adjust the brightness, it is pretty much the same process. You tap the button, make sure you're on the brightness section. As you turn the dial up, you will increase brightness all the way up to 100%, or decrease brightness all the way down to 1%. And keep in mind, a really cool feature on the LumeCube Panel Mini, as you are changing the brightness intensity, you will also be able to see the amount of time left on your battery at this given brightness mode. This is really important if you're on a shoot where you have X amount of time that you need to be shooting, you know exactly how long your lighting will last at that given brightness setting. On full power, that 100% brightness, you'll get 1.2 hours of runtime. At the low power, at that 1%, you'll get 14 hours of runtime. So it really depends on how hard you're pushing your Panel Mini, but ranges from anywhere from 1.2 hours to 14 hours. The LumeCube Panel Mini takes about 1.8 hours to recharge from 0% all the way back up to 100%. To recharge the Panel Mini, locate the USB-C recharge port and simply insert the USB-C charging cable. And then on the back, you will see the battery indicator that tells you that it is indeed recharging. For best charging practices, be sure to unplug your Panel Mini once it is fully recharged. And if you haven't used it in a while, make sure you recharge it before going on your next shoot. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope this video helped you get a better understanding of how to get the most out of your LumeCube Panel Mini. If you have any more questions or want to hear answers on things we didn't cover today, drop them in the comments below or shoot an email to support@lumecube.com and we'd be happy to get back to you.